After the Battle of Jamal, the Ummah was still torn. Muawiyah, the governor of Syria, refused to acknowledge Imam Ali's caliphate, claiming justice for the assassination of Uthman. The stage was set for the Battle of Siffin, where the fate of the Muslim world would hang in the balance.
This is not a fight for power, it is a fight for justice, for the soul of this ummah. We fight to preserve Islam, not to conquer.
We will not accept Ali as our leader. Today, we defend our right to rule.
The battle raged for days, each side claiming victory at different times. But when the tide seemed to turn in Imam Ali's favor, Muawiyah's army raised the Qurans on their spears, calling for arbitration. In the midst of bloodshed, Muawiyah's men called for peace through arbitration, a tactic to halt the killing. Ali, a man of integrity, agreed, though he knew the true purpose was a manipulation to prolong conflict. Though the battle ended without decisive victory, it left a deep scar on the Muslim world.